In the previous episode of Filming on a Budget, I showcased you a budget tripod which was probably good in all the aspects, but at times carrying a tripod might not always be the best option. Now here's when a mini tripod or a gorilla pod as we all say comes into play. So in this episode of Filming on a Budget, let's see, is the gorilla pod worth your attention? Hey, what's up guys, Bhushan here from abgeekexpert. With that being said, let's get started. So the Jobby Gorilla Pod comes in a lot of different versions ranging from 1500 rupees all the way to 10,000 INR, and the one which I have over here is the SLR Zoom variant with the ball head, and the total combo costed me about 3000 Indian rupees from Amazon, and in my opinion it's totally worth it, and here is why. So the Gorilla Pod is a super versatile tripod because of its build and design. As you can see, the Gorilla Pod is made up of individual flexible feet which you can bend in any way you want. So as a result, you can use this tripod almost anywhere you want without worrying about safety. You can mount it on a pole and get some different angles. You can use it as a mic stand as I do to record some super crisp audio. Or you can also use it to take some low to the ground shots, and the possibilities are endless. So if you are planning to buy this Gorilla Pod, I would highly recommend you to get the ball head combo, because firstly the ball head is built like a tank, and don't get fooled by its size, because I do use the ball head to take some overhead camera shots and it's stable AF. And secondly, the ball head will also help you to mount your camera to some weird places like a tree or a pole. If you don't have the ball head, then getting the perfect angle will definitely be a pain in the butt. At the end of the day, all I can say is every photographer or a filmmaker should own this kind of Gorilla Pod or a mini tripod in general, because not only it is super portable but also convenient to use all the time. The Best Buy links of the Gorilla Pod as well as some other good mini tripods will be in the description down below, so do have a look. With that being said, I'm your boy Expert and I'm signing out.